Everybody ain't got no time to be sitting there trying to write cover letters and do all this stuff. When you got an assistant that can do it, you better let them do it. Are you not very good with words or have no experience writing cover letters? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you step by step how to use ChatGPT to help you. Yes, indeed. They're going to help you write a personalized cover letter tailored to the job you're applying for. We'll go over what should go inside of a cover letter, including relevant achievements, and how ChatGPT can save you time in the job searching process, because everybody wants to save time. So whether you're a recent graduate or a professional looking for your next career change, then this video is for you. Anyways, I'm KK Harris. I'm a business psychologist and an executive coach here in the UK, and I help professionals manage their careers. Now, if this sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and I'll keep bringing more video content just like this. Okay? Now, let's get into the content. But first things first, you need to understand what ChatGPT is and how it can assist you in writing a winning cover letter. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by openai that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. All you got to do is go to openai.com, where you can create an account, or simply click at the top where it says try. Boop! Gather all relevant information about yourself, including your achievements, skills, and experience that are relevant to the job you're applying for. Down in the chat box, communicate to ChatGPT like you're speaking to an assistant. Type, "Write me a cover letter for a job that I'm applying for." Here is the job description. Copy and paste that job description right there in the chat box. And then you want to follow it up with, "And here are my skills and my achievements." Put them in there. You also want to add how many years you've been working in that industry. And then you can say, "Write this in a conversational tone of voice in the first person." If this is a first job, then make sure you share your school achievements or any volunteer experience related to the job. You might want to tell ChatGPT something like, "This is my first job." The more information you give ChatGPT, the better. You got to remember, they're an assistant. They're not a mind reader. And I keep saying they. It is not a mind reader. After that, you go boom, you press enter, and you wait a few seconds. I mean, literally a few seconds. It's that fast. Then what you want to do is you want to review and edit the cover letter generated by ChatGPT to ensure that it meets your standards and effectively communicates your qualifications and why you're the right candidate for the job. And then when you have your final cover letter that you're happy with, then go ahead and apply for that job, okay? Look, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, please. Give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And please stick around for more career tips and advice, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.